Zed Wild here. I'm over near Penzance, and this is very interesting. As a plants person, we've got South African Agapanthus here, growing out of the cracks of walls. I would say they've seeded themselves here. They're wild. They're actually a South African plant, but there's more here. Just young ones there, look. And then we got this nice, my memory's a little bit gone, this British fern here that grows up on trees and in shady walls. More Agapanthus. Yeah. And I noticed they're also on the railway line. You won't see it from here, but I've noticed them growing along the railway line in the gravel. They've obviously seeded themselves.